Hello, today we'll be talking about how to make your own cologne with Young Living products. Now, for me, I was never one for cologne, and to be honest with you, I still am not a huge fan of cologne. But for those of you out there who are a fan of cologne, we have some recipes that we'll be portraying up on the screen later about how you can make your own cologne. Why was I not a big fan of cologne? Well, for one, it smelled bad. Secondly, it made my head hurt. I got headaches from when I could smell cologne or perfume. It would make my head hurt. And why was that? Well, the average fragrant product contains 14 secret chemicals not listed on labels. Now, that's a lot of chemicals on labels that are probably and are harmful to our bodies. These chemicals are linked to hormone disruptions and allergic reactions. Many of these substances have not been tested for safety in personal care products. The word fragrance is explicitly exempt from labeling requirements. Only 34% of unlabeled ingredients have been tested. Out of 17 tested products, all but 5 contained hormone disruptancy chemicals. That was an average of 4 per product. Now, for me, I just like to put some oils on me, whether it's for breathing or maybe skin issues that I may have, or maybe sinus problems that I sometimes have as well. And that pretty much acts as my cologne, because I got all these different oils on me so people can smell the oil, and that pretty much is my cologne. But for those of you who like cologne, we have some recipes that'll be coming up here in just a few seconds here on different oils that you can put into a roller bottle or any type of bottle that you might have. A spray bottle might be if you like to use the spray method. You just put some oils in there and you can make your own cologne. We'll see you next week.